Good morning! Today is Thursday, April 25th, and it's our second day at Bradenton Beach. We are starting off the morning with breakfast at Golf Drive Cafe. It has a lovely view of the Gulf, and you can either sit in the sand or on the bricks. I love it here. They have a variety of choices for breakfast, including corned beef hash and eggs, breakfast sandwich, smoked salmon bagel, and biscuits and gravy. They offer various egg benedicts and quiches, and on the back they have omelets, waffles, pancakes, toast, and plenty of beverages. Eric ordered the classic eggs benedict, which is 2 poached eggs on an English muffin with ham and hollandaise. It comes with a choice of side, so he picked the home fries. I ordered orange juice and the ultimate Belgian waffle. It's a Belgian waffle with strawberries, a giant scoop of ice cream, and whipped cream. It was delicious, but way more ice cream than I needed for 10:30 in the morning. Finally, time for the beach. The beach was a 5-minute walk from our Airbnb. We did have to walk across a busy street, but there was a crosswalk for us. Thankfully, our Airbnb had a wagon and chairs for us to take to the beach. I was a little disappointed it was overcast and the water wasn't as clear as it was earlier, but the water was still clean and the beach was really soft.
How's the water? Is it? Good.
Welcome to the ocean.
We didn't see any dolphins or manatees, but we did get to see some pelicans dive at a school of fish. So here we are at the Ugly Grouper. It is, I think it's like 6 something on Saturday evening, so it is kind of crowded. They have minimal parking, so they have some parking spots over here, but I do highly recommend you take a trolley if you're able to. It's an hour and a half wait, and they said we can wait in the back past all this seating.
Excuse us?
It looks like we will be having some live music later. Over here is a bar. This is an awesome Ugly Grouper sculpture. There's cornhole in the back corner and tons of ring tosses. And some restrooms. And we can't forget about the Instagram wall.
I should make one of these.
You should. It's in the middle of the thing. He just smacked it.
This looks so hard.
I mean, once you figure out like the height you have to let go of it at, you just keep going back to that spot. And then after a while, you just have to get the aim down. And the only challenging part is the wind right now.
They even have a gift shop with various Ugly Grouper merch, from these hats to an Ugly Grouper plush to cups and glasses. And of course, shirts.
I like that one.
Right? Oh, the little one.
There are plenty of drink options, from draft beer to craft bottles and cans, domestic to import beers, to wines and champagnes. There's also a wide range of cocktails, including their Ugly Grouper Coconut Punch and Zero Proof cocktails. For appetizers, they have some typical choices with fun names like Ugly Cheese Logs and Chicken Chunks, but they have some standouts like Crab Green Tomatoes, Crab Stuffed Shrimp, and Island Grouper Kebabs. Sandwiches include burgers, mahi sandwich, patty melt, and pulled pork or pulled chicken sliders. There's also Ugly Clam Chowder and various salad options. For main entrees, there is seafood like shrimp tacos, coconut shrimp dinner, or seafood pasta. And of course, there are plenty of different ways to eat the restaurant's namesake grouper. There's grouper tacos, Polynesian boat, kebabs, dinners, and sandwiches. I ordered the non-alcoholic cocktail Dragonberry Lemonade. Eric ordered a beer that came in this cool cup. For food, Eric ordered their world-famous grouper tacos for $25. It comes in an iconic cheese fan shell with blackened grouper, cabbage, and fresh salsa served with house-made dinoed sauce. I ordered the grouper nugget dinner for $34. It's fresh grouper battered in their blend of herbs and spices, deep-fried, served with tartar sauce, and a choice of 2 sides. For my sides, I picked seasonal vegetables and Caribbean rice. It was all really good. This place is beautiful at night and has such a fun summery vacation atmosphere. It was a great family dinner to end this portion of our vacation.
Did you do it?